Let's formulate sentences in Igbo using what did plus a pronoun and a simple sentence and simple verb tense. What did she do? Gịnị ka she o mere? The pronoun will have to be in the Igbo form, in the past tense. So you need to know the past tense of the Igbo form of that pronoun. Gịnị ka o mere? What did she do? What did they do? Gịnị ka ha mere? You just need to switch the pronoun. What did they say? Gịnị ka ha kwuru? Kwuo is the verb, past tense is kwuru. Gịnị ka ha kwuru? What did she say? Gịnị ka o kwuru? So in our upcoming Igbo class, you will be learning how to formulate simple and complex sentences in Igbo. Check comment section for details.